morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Who are you?
I am Sophie.
Okay, stand up, Sophie, please. Ask the question, who are you?
Who are you? I am Zoe. Who are you? I am Tim. Who are you?
William, how old are you?
I am 8. How old are you? I am 8. How old are you? I am 8. What color is it? It's orange.
What color is it?
What color? It's purple.
What's the weather like? Yes, Robert?
It's sunny.
Sunny, okay. And here, what's the weather like? Yes.
Rainy.
It's raining. Yes, okay. What's the weather like here? Yes.
It's windy.
It's windy. Okay. What's the weather like? Nice.
Snowy.
It's snowing. Okay. Okay, very good. What is it? Yes.
It's a dog.
It's a dog. Do you remember? What is it? Maggie?
It's a bear.
It's a bear. Great.
It's a duck.
It's a duck. Okay, great. Okay. Okay. Oh well, what's the date today?
The Tuesday is 17th of March.
Okay, the 17th.
The 17th